Shh. So how I like to introduce the bar model method is by using this problem. So it says Tom gets his weekly allowance regularly and spends it as follows. So $8 on gym membership, $23 on grocery, a quarter of what was left on transportation, 2/3 of what was left on food, $18 on books and other school expenses, and $12 on savings. So our question is, how much was his weekly allowance? And we want to show this in two different ways. I'll show you one using the bar model method. And I know most of you would be able to do it using the working backwards strategy. Okay, so let's draw a bar representing Tom's weekly allowance, right? So that's all his money. We represent that with a bar. Okay, now we know that this is spent on gym, right? And then we've got $23. We do want to draw our bars so that if one is smaller, then we just make it smaller than the other. Okay, so now we've got the next statement. It says a quarter of what was left on transportation. So if it's a quarter, then we might want to divide that remaining bar into quarters. And this is now spent on transportation, right? And then look at this. It says 2/3 of what was left on food. And we've got the remaining bars, right, equally divided into threes. And therefore, we could just say, well, this one here is what he spent on food. Now, what else would he be spending the money on? It says $18 on books and $12 on savings, which would make up this bit here, right? So you could say that one block there is 18 plus 12, which gives you $30. And that means this is also $30. This is also $30. That's also $30. So you can add them all up, or you can do it more efficiently by timesing 30 by 4. You get 120, and then you add 8 and you add 23. That gives you what? $31. Did I put 120? And then you add $31, and therefore the total allowance that he had for that week was 151. So another difficult question that I get asked was this question number 6. It says John and Peter have equal amounts of money. If John spends $18 and Peter spends $25, then John will have twice as much money left as Peter has left. How much money did they each have in the beginning? We've got John and we've got Peter, right? Now at the start, they've got the same amount of money. So let's maybe draw a bar model showing that it would be an equal amount of money by giving or having bars that would have an equal length, right? So now John spends $18. So we don't know how long would that be, but we could probably just assume, let's say, right, this one's $18 from here to there. And he's spent that, so he doesn't have that money anymore, right? Now, Peter, on the other hand, he spent $25, but it says that then John will have twice as much money left as Peter has left. So then you could probably say John has twice as much. And where would 25 be? You would probably say because we just want to have one part left for Peter, as compared to John's 2 parts, then you could say that this one would have to be $25, right? So from this bar model method, we could say that from here to there is 18 and this one's 25. Well, that would mean that from here to there, that's really $7, right? So if that's $7, Well, we can say this is also $7 and that would also be $7. So to answer the question, how much money did they each have in the beginning? You could probably say it's 7 plus 25, which gives you what? $32. Or you could also have a look at what John's bar representation has, and it says what 14 plus 18, which indeed it's $32 as well. So the answer to this is $32. Right. So I hope that gave you an idea of how to use the bar model method. Let me know how you went with the other questions. See you all. Stay awesome. Bye.
Come on, Rocky, let's go.